Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Gone Fishing. Sorry that I haven't been making too many videos. I've been really busy with my Mustang, car shows, family. The weather's been brutal. It's been very hot, windy. Can't go out with the kayak. It's just, it's too much. But today we'll be going to Tremblay Beach. We'll be putting on our waders and we'll be going for largemouth bass. So guys, stay tuned and we'll get back to you once we hit the beach. All right guys, so we made it to Tremblay Beach here with a couple guys, and we're gonna go for the largies. Stay tuned. All right, so we made it to the beach. Now it's time to go in, catch some fish. Gorgeous out here. Water's clean. Current's not too strong. I think we'll get into it. All right guys, so we're in the water, Tremblay Beach. It is absolutely gorgeous. We're in about 3.5 feet of water. Water's pretty clean. You got kayakers, you got fishermen. Let's throw out the spinner bait and we'll see if we can catch some largemouth bass. Try the first cast here. If you guys haven't been, Tremblay Beach, very, very nice to come. Lots of largemouth bass. See if we can get any. There we go. Player, nice one, player. Oh, ho, ho. Yeah. This is awesome. Oh yeah, buddy. Nice one, player. There you go, boys. There you go. Switch it over to the white spinnerbait. Destroyed it. Watch him go. See ya. Oh, that is awesome, man. What a hit.
Music licensing reimagined.
There we go, player. There we go. Yeah. Yep. Easy, fella. There we go, boys. Got another one. Right in the weeds here.
Artlist.io.
Beautiful fish. It's 2. That's where they're sitting. They're sitting right in the weed beds here. Nice little fish. Nice release. See ya, buddy. All right, guys, that's going to finish our day of fishing. It wasn't good. I only caught 2. My buddy caught 1. But all in all, it was a beautiful day. It wasn't hot. The water was beautiful. So guys, thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for the next one. Take care. Bye.